Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of BrowseInfo's POS partial credit payment application. It allows customers to use the credit for the partial payments directly in Odoo POS. You can easily manage and track the customer credit, set limits, and offer flexible billing for the regular customers. A great feature to boost loyalty and streamline POS payment workflows. So for the first step, I'm just going with the accounting module, and under the configuration, you will find one option for journals, and here I'm selecting the credit journal. So here you have to select this POS payment method. After that, I'm just going with the point of sale module, and under the configuration, I'm selecting the payment methods. And here I'm selecting the credit payment method, and here we have to select this checklist for POS payment method. Now I'm just open the session, and here I'm selecting the customer. So here for the Azure interior, you can see we have a credit limit amount of 1321, and if I'm selecting this hamburger icon, so here you will find one option for the pay credit. If you want to pay the some credit amount, so you just have to add the amount, and you can also enter the partial amount. So here you can see it is successfully added and journal entry is generated. After that, I'm just going to select the product and selecting the customer, and here you will see the credit is fetched for the customer. Now I'm just going to make the payment and select the payment method as credit and going to validate the same. So here you can see our credit order is completed successfully. After that, I'm just going to the backend, and under the orders, I'm selecting the recently made order, and under the payments you can see the payment method is reflected for customer as a credit is already generated, and one invoice is generated for the same. And here you can see in the invoice line the credit method is already applied for the customer, and invoice is generated for the zero amount. After that, under the orders, I'm just going to select the customers, and under the sales and purchase tab, here you will find one option for allow the over limit. So for the Azure interior, our limit is for the 5000. Now I'm just going to deselect this and going to save it. Again, going to the dashboard and continue selling, and selecting the customer. If I'm just going with the payment and selecting the credit and validate the same, so here you can see you have to first pay the credit. We can't place the order for the maximum amount if we deselect this over limit credit checklist. After that, I'm just going with the backend and selecting the customer. Under the sales and purchase, I'm going to select this, and here I'm going to enter the credit limit as 12,000 and going to save it. Make the payment with the credit. So here you can see it will show maximum credit limit for this customer is reached. So we can't select the more amount if we deselect that checklist. I've selected the credit limit for 12,000 for the Azure interior, and now I'm just going to make payment with the credit, and I'm just going to validate the same. Get So here you can see we successfully added the payment method as credit and completed our order. And under the configuration, I'm selecting the settings, and here for the credit payment we have option. We can pay the full credit amount or the partial credit amount for the credit payment journal. So if I'm selecting the full amount without credit, so I'm just going to save it. And now I'm just going to the dashboard and continue with the sell and selecting the customer with credit and going to make the payment and going to validate the same. So here you can see the invoices generated for the full payment for the credit. So that's how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.